journey of a new molecular entity from discovery to commercialization, chemical development plays a crucial role. It facilitates the transition of the molecule from the small-scale laboratory stage to the large-scale manufacturing stage. And what drives this journey are factors such as expertise, capabilities, systems and facilities of the chemical development unit. Syngene's chemical development vertical, all these factors are built around innovation, problem-solving, on-time delivery, trust and global accepted regulatory and quality standards, thereby ensuring excellent customer value proposition. Presenting the art and science of chemical development at Syngene. Syngene's process R&D capabilities include route scouting, process development, process optimization, scale-up, engineering studies, process hazard evaluation studies, design of experiments, particle engineering, flow chemistry, polymorph and salt screening, and process automation. Our capabilities are supported by state-of-the-art facilities designed to deliver materials for tox supplies till commercial supplies. Syngene has process development capabilities to conduct route scouting, developing processes for NCEs, specialty chemicals and advanced synthetic intermediates. The lab can simultaneously work on multiple projects across different industries. Our dedicated lab for handling HPAPI compounds has 3 bench fume hoods with barrier isolators to operate OEL compounds. Since 2003, we offer high-potent molecules development and manufacturing services to global customers. The process engineering and safety labs complement the chemistry group in optimizing the processes and conducting process safety studies for scale-up batches. The lab is equipped with flow reactors, RC1, DSC for thermal studies, and EasyMax jacketed reactors to simulate processes on small scale and interpret data for large-scale manufacturing. Process Safety Lab for Risk Assessment has a dedicated team of analytical chemists and chemical engineers who extensively work on process safety activities. Process Analytical Lab comprises of advanced equipment like NMR Bruker Avance, Ion Chromatography, Particle Size Analyzer, SFC, Halogen Moisture Analyzer, DSC and TGA, HPLCs and GCs to name a few. Syngene's Kilo Lab is a fully cGMP compliant facility well equipped with QVF glass reactors of capacity ranging from 5 litre to 50 litre. It facilitates in seamless scale-up of complex intermediaries and APIs from grams to several kilos. The glass reactors are provided with PTFE-coated impellers like Rushton pitch blade turbines and anchor impellers with an RPM ranging from 5 to 600. These glass reactors are equipped with high-capacity thermostat for efficient temperature control. The glass plant is also well equipped with downstream equipment like centrifuge, notcher filter and tray dryer to facilitate all downstream requirements. Syngene's state-of-the-art US FDA-audited cGMP manufacturing facility for NCEs and advanced intermediates is designed to process multiple products simultaneously through multiple suites. This facility also includes pilot-scale manufacturing suites that help to transform from Process kilo lab to commercial scale seamlessly. The manufacturing facility has stainless steel reactors, Hastelloy hydrogenators, Hastelloy reactors, glass-lined reactors, stainless steel non-shear filters, HALA-lined non-shear filters, and stainless steel vacuum dryers and HALA-lined vacuum dryers. The HPAPI manufacturing facility is designed to handle high-potent compounds such as cytotoxic and cytostatic molecules. The facility is fully cGMP compliant and operates on end-to-end barrier isolator technologies for containment. Syngene has set up a dedicated quality control lab that has specialized equipment to conduct various analyses. These include HPLCs, UPLCs, GCs, PXRD, ICP-OES, ICP-MS, MLT, BET, sterility and PET. A dedicated stability center has also been set up that conducts stability analysis. With the ever-increasing demand for our services and to provide forward integration opportunities to our customers on the discovery, development and manufacturing continuum, we are now in the next stage of our expansion. A new large-scale commercial manufacturing plant is taking shape at Mangalore SEZ. The plant is being executed in a phased manner and will be in compliance with globally accepted standards. Syngene's Chemical Development Unit is all set to embark on a new phase of its journey. We understand that each NME that comes to chemical development is very important for our customers' success. And so our systems and processes are designed to meet global regulatory and quality requirements. This is the art and science of chemical development at Syngene.